Thank you, Madam Chair. As I stated at the opening hearing last July, this is an important day, both for Mr. Rangel, for this committee, for the Congress, but most importantly for the American people. And let me be clear, no member of this committee asked for this assignment. Sitting in judgment of a fellow member and colleague is a very difficult thing for all of us to do. But we accept our responsibility here today. We serve for no other reason than to protect the honor, integrity, and credibility of this institution, often referred to as the People's House. The American people's confidence in us is at a historic low. They want their elected representatives held accountable for their actions, just as they are held accountable as private citizens. It is my sincere hope that these public, televised hearings will help increase transparency and accountability and restore much-needed trust to the House as an institution. Our responsibility as judges in this matter is to be fair and impartial. There is no place for presumed guilt before innocence in this process, and there will not be in this case. Hearings of this kind are rare and historic. These hearings follow a 21-month-long bipartisan investigation, an investigation that receives sworn testimony from nearly 50 witnesses and over 28,000 pages of documents, an investigation that produced a 13-count statement of alleged violations, and over 500 exhibits that have been placed on the committee's website. These allegations, if proven, would demonstrate that Mr. Rangel violated multiple provisions of the House rules and federal statutes. As judges, we must determine where these allegations were proven by clear and convincing evidence. On numerous occasions, the respondent, Mr. Rangel, has requested public hearings, a right that he is afforded under the committee rules. Today, this hearing affords him the opportunity to be heard. And as judges in this matter, it is our responsibility to make sure the process is both fair and dignified. And as a former federal prosecutor in the Public Integrity Section at the Department of Justice, due process is nothing new to me. It is guaranteed by our Constitution, and it is a responsibility I take very seriously. So as we prepare to hear the evidence against one of our most tenured colleagues in the House, we need to ensure we have done everything we can to assure the American public that we will handle this matter with the utmost professionalism and nonpartisanship that it deserves. We can never forget that public office is a public trust. And with that, I yield back.
Gentleman yields back. Before proceeding